Snoopy and his robot boat. Places and people important to him. John Sylvester told me about the Micro Transit Challenge back over 10 years ago. Yeah, we're outside John Sylvester's place. Found a member of Team Joker and we're checking out the signal strengths for his internet access. Scrolling down the website, playing a video.
The Barossa operation was named after the
Good enough. Hythe, promoting ESAMs from off to the coast then. So, somewhere down there. And our friends who are interested can track where we are and hide. To Hythe Marina Village. Just up here. Lovely. Oh, that's Hythe Village. And where we did a Snoopy sail across to the end of where the little railway goes to the ferry. Yeah, what did you notice, Jen?
It's the top of the chapel of what was the old hospital. The chapel's the only bit that's left now.
Yeah, so that's where your dad was based for a while. Lovely viewpoint here. And across. So, right. Brief visit to our friends. Just down there.
Yeah, yeah.
It turns out that Dave's on WhatsApp.
Yes, yeah.
And this particular place was important to Snoopy, but the stuff we'll be talking about is more to do with ESAMs, because that's where we dried out after Snoopy's 2012 attempt. This lovely spot. This is where I do remember coming out. I can't remember what we did with Snoopy. Time to leave David and Jeanette Gibby, ex-ESAMs guy, and off down to the next place, which is what, Barton-on-Sea?
Barton.
Right. Well, we should better do it without any sat-nav. Just going through the New Forest on our way to Lymington.
Somebody watching all the cars going by.
This looks a familiar spot from a few years ago. Cafe up there. Been paragliding. So this is where we did our first launches of Snoopy. Looks like Ben from the BBC is already doing his business. Snoopy. This is where we're going. I'm hoping you're going to join us. But
I'm going to go as far as BBC Health and Safety will allow me.
This is Tim from BBC Radio Solent.
Hello.
Tim is the guy that lost one of my GPS bottles a year or two back.
To be fair, I place the blame fully on the design of the bottle. I'm
Oh,
sure
really?
I followed
Really?
all the instructions and charged it correctly.
Oh, okay, right.
So I think you lost the plot.
Yeah, but he chickened out of coming into the water with me with a microphone when we launched today.
I stood at safe distance,
Yeah.
as my health and safety executive would want.
Right, that'll be enough
Right.
incriminating video for now.
Sorry.
Yeah. We arrived. They wouldn't let us go quite as far as the zigzag steps, which I think are just up there. But we've got pretty close. Yeah, quite a long way to walk to the zigzag steps where we used to launch. That's new. The prom kiosk. So this is coming up to where we have based this attempt, which is just here. A few improvements to be made. For example, you are here near the zigzag steps, and that's the groin that we'd normally launch from. Here we are at the groin where we normally launch from. Here in the background, and this is where we might be able to launch from again if we get to it. We weren't absolutely sure whether that was the groin, but checking the video, June confirmed yes, that was where we normally park the car and launch from, just there. So good job you had your smartphone and we could look at some of the old videos of launches. So now we can make our way back. Just had a lovely phone call with flatmate and sailing expert and best man at our wedding, Stuart Quarry, and in no time at all we were on WhatsApp chatting to him. Walking up to the Royal Yacht Squadron to meet up with Stuart Quarry, that is, who's been running cows for 17 years, and our old my old flatmate and best man at our wedding in 71. Anyhow, he's going to show us around, but before that he's got to get some radio interviews out of the way, including, I think it's been interviewed by Robin Knox Johnston.
And 110, I have a clear line. My nearest, we are all clear.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All clear.
All clear. So that's absolutely brilliant. So we're now on our way home past the toilets right near the pier. Yeah, car park above the harvester, and the good news is it's out of service today. Right, it's just going to... Fancy doing a bit of swimming, June? No? Fisherman. What's this? 2.4 million refurbishing. Yeah, it looks as though it's nicely open. People sat outside. Yeah, checked out the toilets, lovely and civilised. Time to go home by the obvious motorway route, but without sat-nav.
We don't need the map either.
No, don't need the map either. Even without a paper map, she says. Yes, we're home.